that's where I think, you have to make that call. And that's where I would say, as an auditor and also as a data scientist and a data analyst, that's a really good skill set to have. If you don't have that risk-based approach and you can't really interpret what's low risk versus high risk, you're going to be chasing your tail whenever it comes to doing stuff. You're not going to know what to focus on and what really truly matters.
For sure. Very easy to get caught up in those details there. We have another question. I'm willing to take this one from you if you'd like, Kyle. Bensa says, do you have any suggestions for jobs where it's necessary to know hidden Markov models? I am quite good in applying HMM in various situations in RStudio. Kyle, do you want to take that one? I'm happy to take it.
What was that? Is there subtitles translation? Sorry, yours.
Vensa, my friend, part of the fun of being a data scientist is the different things you get to do. One day you're working on visualizations, the next in code, the next talking of the business. You're coming at it the opposite way. You have a very specific tool in a very specific language. So I would encourage you to maybe flex your data science capabilities just a little bit more and work beyond this one hidden Markov models approach. And also you mentioned RStudio specifically. So have some fun with it. Expand your skills. You're trying to make the nut fit the bolt instead of thinking about the other nuts and bolts that are out there, right? So I would encourage you to be flexible in how you approach this and approach your job search, because there's so many more things to being a data scientist than one specific model in one language. Let me go back and go some of these other questions. I think Hamad asks, welcome to the stream, sir. My question is, how does your organization manage and utilize the vast amounts of data generated from banking transactions and audit reports to improve operational efficiency?
So I think actually the answer somewhat in the question there is that there's huge amounts of data, and it's basically how you utilize it and how you interpret it. The answers to the operational effectiveness is sitting within the data.